Blockchain is a technology that enables the secure and transparent recording of data in a decentralized digital ledger. It was first introduced in 2008 by a person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto as a key component of the digital currency Bitcoin. Since then, it has evolved and expanded to have many more applications beyond cryptocurrency. At its core, blockchain is a database that stores information in a series of blocks, which are linked together in a chronological chain. Each block contains a set of data, such as transaction records or other digital assets, as well as a unique cryptographic code called a hash that identifies the block and links it to the previous block in the chain. What makes blockchain unique is its decentralized nature. Instead of having a single centralized entity like a bank or government that controls the database, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network of computers, each of which maintains a copy of the entire database. This creates a distributed system that is highly resistant to tampering or hacking, since altering one block requires changing all subsequent blocks in the chain and getting all the other nodes on the network to agree to the new version. One of the key benefits of blockchain is its transparency. Because each block in the chain is linked to the previous one and contains a hash code that can be verified by anyone on the network, it is very difficult to manipulate or forge data without being detected. This makes blockchain an ideal solution for a wide range of applications where trust and security are paramount, such as financial transactions, supply chain management, and digital identity verification. Another key benefit of blockchain is its potential for reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Because it operates on a decentralized network of computers, there is no need for intermediaries like banks or other third-party institutions to verify transactions or keep records. This can significantly reduce transaction fees and processing times, as well as reduce the risk of errors or fraud. In addition to its many practical applications, blockchain is also a fascinating subject for researchers and developers. There are many different blockchain implementations and protocols, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some of the most popular blockchain protocols include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Hyperledger, each of which has its own unique features and capabilities. Overall, blockchain is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform a wide range of industries and applications. Its decentralized nature, transparency, and security make it an ideal solution for many different use cases, from financial transactions to supply chain management to digital identity verification. As the technology continues to evolve and expand, we can expect to see even more innovative and exciting applications of blockchain in the years to come.